So welcome back to the channel, everyone. Triple M here. For anyone that went out, pre-ordered a new iPhone 14, just know that you'll need some protection to go with that new iPhone. So today's video has been sponsored by Torras. Torras is one of the best when it comes to your accessories, your protection, screen protectors for your iPhone, as well as your Samsung devices. So today we have 5 cool cases for your iPhone, no matter which version you pick up. So this video we're gonna quickly unbox them, go over some of the specifications, some of the use cases. So of course, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash the thumbs up. Let's go. So again, wanted to give Torras a big shout out for sponsoring this video. They have been partnered with the channel for a while, and they always come out with some of the best accessories for your smartphone. So what I have here is an iPhone 14. This is a dummy phone. We all know the phone isn't yet available, and I'm not a big enough YouTuber for Apple to send me one. So what I wanted to do today is try out the case and see how they look and see how they feel. So the first case is going to be the 14 Guardian, and this is for your iPhone 14. So this is going to have a thin profile. It's going to have shockproof. Of course, the buttons and everything's going to be snappy with this case, and 100% supports wireless charging. Let's get it out and see what it's like. So as Torras always does, they included a card. That way you can go ahead and activate a warranty. So with this one, this has a nice little trick up the sleeves. This has changeable buttons, and I'll show you how that works here in a little bit. So as you can see on the Guardian case, this is mostly translucent in the back, but on the side you're going to see a little bit more thickness, as you can see there. So it is going to protect your camera. It does have a lip right here where it's going to go over the phone, and you'll see when I pop that on here in a little bit. Of course, it's going to have your cutouts. As I said, the buttons do pop out, guys. Let's go ahead and we'll just remove one. So this part just basically pop out like this. Then you can go in and let's just try out, let's try the red one. And of course, the changeable buttons are for your power as well as your volume rocker. So pops in, there's a little slit in there, guys. It's pretty straightforward. Pop it in, then you can go ahead and pop your phone in. So, and overall, this is a nice looking case. This feels really good. You can see that the camera is protected, so if you were to drop it, shouldn't have any issues there. Really good feeling phone. It does have a lip on the front, so it should protect your screen as well. And this is a really slim design where if you have smaller hands, this is not going to make your phone too bulky. So definitely like this one. I love the translucent. If you look carefully, you can still see the Apple logo. Not sure about the button colors. I'll probably just leave it black, but in the comments let me know what you guys think. Would you switch out the colors of the button to a yellow or a black? Drop that in the comments. So phone case number 2 is going to be Origin Fit or your Slim Fit. Now this one is only 0.03 inches thick. It is sturdy. Just know that this is very lightweight. It will have some protection, but not as much protection as some of your other cases in this lineup. So this does have raised lips protection for your camera, and your screen will be protected from being scratched as well. As always, this does have a 180-day warranty, and you'll see the warranty card when I open the box. Let's go ahead and get it open. So this one is a little bit more minimalistic, and you can see on the bottom it does have some cutouts here on the 2 corners. It does have that protection for the camera, as you can see there, and even in the front you do have a slight lip, but this one is really thin. This is going to have a really low profile. And of course, you guys know that this does support wireless charging, as all of the cases on this lineup does. And again, camera is protected. You do have a raised lip for your screen, and this is even thinner and more comfortable than the other one. This one is a straight black. If you're someone who takes really good care of your phone, then this will be more than ideal. Slip it in your pocket and you should be good to go. So this is the Origin Fit or the Slim Fit from Torras. Now on to phone case number 3. Now this is going to be the Diamond Clear, and this is for someone who just wants to show off their phone but they still want that protection. This is going to be perfect. This is a nano antioxidant coating which basically protects this from yellowing over time. I don't know if you guys have ever owned a phone with a clear case. After a couple months it started turning yellow, you have to swap it out. This is going to protect that. And of course, this is going to have a 180-day warranty. Let's go ahead and get it out. But here is the case, and I'm really digging this one. There's a protector in the back, so you can go ahead and peel it off, but I'm just going to leave it on. You can see it does have the camera protection. Of course, this is going to cover the screen, so screen is going to be protected as well. Everything else is going to be pretty standard. Let's go ahead and pop it in. And this one, this one feels really good. So of course, the benefit of having a clear case is that you get to show off your new iPhone to everyone, letting them know you have the latest, the greatest iPhone 14. Feels really good in my hand. This is definitely a non-slick case, so this phone is not dropping out of my hands. Some of the other cases, or even the phones for that matter, kind of slippery, but with this, you don't have to worry about that. So definitely feeling this one. In the comments, let me know which phone case you're feeling so far. We still have 2 more to go. So on to case number 4, and this is going to be the Up Pro Matte or the Mars Climber. Now this one does have the metal stand, which I appreciate. So of course this is going to have strengthened corners. It is going to have additional protection for your camera. So if you like enjoying your content on your phone and landscape or portrait or whatever, this one is going to be a great case for you. Let's go ahead and we'll unbox it. Now this looks pretty sweet. Now this reminds me a lot of the first case, but of course the addition of the kickstand does really add a lot to this case. In the comments, let me know, do you like the simple version with nothing, or do you like the kickstand version? Very curious to hear about that one. You can see on the side, of course, we are going to have the camera protection. The lip's going to overwrap. If you look on the inside here, you do have another thick piece of rubber right there, and that give additional protection to your camera bump. This part on the inside of the kickstand is definitely flat, so there's no protruding part that's going to damage your phone. And of course the kickstand's right here. All you gotta do is put your nails underneath, pulls out. This allows you to either stand your phone up like this or like that to enjoy your content. Also, forgot to mention that this also has an additional lip bumper on each corner for added protection. So if you drop your phone on the corners right there, you have more protection there than the other cases. Overall, just a great design in my opinion. Like I said, for your content, this easily pops out. Go ahead and set it how you want it. Portrait mode for shorts or Instagram or whatever, TikTok. And then you can switch it to landscape to enjoy your Netflix or your YouTube. Definitely feels really good. And at the end, I'm gonna tell you which case I like the most. So down to case number 5, and this is the final case for the lineup. This one is gonna be the Up Pro Clear. And this one, of course, gives that armored military protection. So this is basically the same as this one. It is going to have kickstand. However, this is going to be clear. It's going to, of course, have the protection for your camera, protection for your screen. Of course, the kickstand is aluminum. This does have a 1.5 millimeter raise around the camera. This, of course, protects your camera, shock resistance, and this is going to protect your device all around. But this is going to be clear, and I'm curious to see what this one looks like as well. This is another stunning case. So if I was to compare it, I would say this is a cross between the clear and then we have this guy right here. But in the comments, let me know which one you prefer, the clear or the matte finish with this case. All right, so same operation basically. The kickstand is going to come out. All right, allows portrait as well as landscape. This is going to have that screen, that protective film in the back. So of course this does have the added protection or material where it won't turn yellow on you, so that should give you some peace of mind. And again, this looks really amazing, guys. We do have some added protection right here in the corners. Probably hard to see because it's clear, but definitely a lip there. Look sideways, there's definitely a lip on the side where the camera is, and laying this flat, your screen is going to be off the surface. Kickstand, easy to pop out, just one fingernail. Bam, you're in Instagram mode, you're in YouTube or Netflix mode. And overall, I think this is a great case as well. So also before we wrap the video up, Torras does provide a lot of different screen protectors for your devices as well. This one, let me go ahead and pull it out, and it's pretty high quality screen protectors, guys. So you can see we do have all the the pieces that we need as far as the cleaning parts that we need to go ahead and get it on. It gives you great instructions how to get everything on. So the installation is pretty straightforward. In the package you are going to have not only the wipes, but you're also going to have the stickers to pick up the excess debris off your phone. So once the phone screen is clean, we're going to go ahead and place this on here. You can see that it is labeled, so you know where the top is, you know where the bottom is, and so on and so forth. Screen protector, you're going to go ahead and pull it up. I'm going to go ahead and peel this part off like this, keeping it protected. Then you can go ahead and just drop it in, make sure it's lined up. All right, you can see it is starting to form. And go ahead and pull this part off, and then you can go ahead and move the rest of the bubbles away. All right, so that was pretty straightforward. And if you have excess bubble, just give it about a day or so and those should go away. So that's how easy it is to install. They do make great screen protectors as well as cases, so definitely worth checking out. So in the comments, let me know which one of those cases you would pick up for your iPhone 14. Of course, I'll leave links in the description. My pick for the best case in this lineup is, I think I'm gonna roll with the clear one right here. I think this just offers the best of both worlds with the protection, with the kickstand, looks, feels good. Still, you get to show off your iPhone, but it is protected, and I think Torras did a really good job on this one. Let me know if you're picking up the iPhone 14 this season or if you're gonna hold up, and let me know what you think of the new design of the iPhones. Again, big shout out to Torras for sponsoring this video. Definitely check those links in the description. These links will be available for all models of the iPhone. So whether you're getting a regular 14 with a 6.1 inch or you're getting a 14 Pro Max, we do have the bigger screen links as well. As always, hit the subscribe button, smash the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.